You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you say this phrase from French? It means marriage of love, and it's a musical solo piano composition by French composer Paul de Senneville. Mariage d'amour is how it's said in French. Let's hear it again. Mariage d'amour. Mariage d'amour. If you cannot pronounce French perfectly, here is my suggestion. Mariage, not marriage, mariage d'amour. Mariage d'amour. Or in French again, let's hear it. Mariage d'amour. Mariage d'amour. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.